a common cause of pain on the inside of the knee can be a collapsed outer arch. So it shows up like the thigh being turned a little out and quite an exaggerated arch on the inside of the foot. So the leg will look something like this. And to correct this, if you put more weight on the big toe and inner heel, lift the outside of the foot, make like you have a block between the thighs and squeeze that block. So it's a kind of leaning of the leg in rather than a rotating in. This can help to relieve some pinching on the inside of the knee. If you apply this to just standing, then you can do that in any place, standing in the grocery store, standing in the kitchen, wherever you might find yourself. Squeeze the imaginary block between the thighs, press into the big toe, lift the outside edge of the foot, and then just slightly squeeze the heel in toward the other heel. In an actual yoga posture, the front foot, if you have more weight on the outside of the foot, what tends to happen is the ankle will kind of bulge out. So squeeze the heel in a little to lift the outer edge of the foot, get the big toe down, then you can pull up the kneecap. This will again help relieve pain on the inside of the knee. So this can apply to straight-legged yoga postures like this, or bent-legged postures like this, still lifting the outer edge of the foot slightly. Whatever standing pose we're talking about, that principle applies. For cross-legged position, it's common to have pain on the inside of the knee when sitting cross-legged, and it's important not to have the foot be like this, where it's kind of collapsing a bit, but have more of the outside edge of the foot down. So if you draw the outside edge of the foot up toward the outer knee, it will help relieve some pinching on the inside of the knee. So again, outside edge of the foot, drawing upwards toward the outer edge of the knee when you're sitting. It can take some time to get that, but once you do, make sitting cross-legged a lot more comfortable. Thank you. Namaste.